if you're trying to figure out how to animate like a character in Godot and you go to look up a guide, there's not a lot of actually moving a character and their bones in Godot. It's always like how to use the animation player or how to use the animation tree, and that's not what I'm looking for. So this is a quick and dirty guide after I figured it out. So first step is to make sure you have a character you want to put into the engine. I'm gonna use this one that I already did, exported to GLTF 2.0, and this character is it from a Cinti pack, like Cinti Simple Fantasy, I think, and he has all the bones he needs. I think so. I don't want it. No, it doesn't look like it. See, that's part of the thing. You need to make sure it's right. Use this mesh I have. I don't know why it's blank, but I know it'll work. It has skeleton 3D in it. Re-import that just in case. Move it to where it needs to be. So we're gonna open it up in a new scene, right? We're just gonna drag it right in. Here it is. There's our model. And I'm gonna hit new inherited so I could save it as it is, like this. Right in the middle. Close that. I got textures on them so you can see where's his front and where's his back and stuff. So when you click on skeleton 3D, it puts all the bones in front, but you can't select them. You have to click up here in this little skeleton 3D box. My mouse is. If you click on this next to it, you can see all these little dots that show up now. These little dots you can click on, and now you can move your bones directly. Right? You can pose your guy as you need. Rotate him. You can move him. You could scale him if you really need to. I don't think you would ever need to, but you can. The other thing is if you want to save your pose and animation, add an animation player. And if you click on the animation, if you make a new animation, right? You click on the animation player, and then you click on skeleton 3D. Now you have all these different options new up here. So the blue one means it's selected, right? So if you want to if you want to track rotation, then you click that. If you want to track location and rotation, you click them both, and then you could keyframe them separately. So if you're just making like a static running animation or something, you don't need to use location. But if you're doing something, say where like you're like the skeleton guy takes his arm off, you might want to have location on that way. That way you could like throw his arm out a little bit, and then it comes back to him. I don't know. That's just an idea. But the thing is now there's these two, insert key and insert key all bones. So insert key only works for existing tracks, and then this plus per makes new tracks. So I'm going to hit insert key, and it's going to create 22 tracks for each bone on the character. And then I'm just going to pose them real quick. I'm going to turn this testing into a running animation. And there it is. There's your quick and dirty guide to animating in Godot. This isn't exactly a good animation to show it off, but nobody else has done it before, seems like, and this is how you do it. I should mention this is for Godot 4.x. This doesn't work for Godot 3 and below because Godot 3 doesn't even have it built in. They have a skeleton system for their 3D, but you can't do it in engine. You have to do it in Blender something. For watching, subscribe. Please, press like. Have a good day.